yesterday. There was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the Monday.
Hello, welcome back to Life No Way and Baking with Kelly again. Okay, found another yummy sugar-free recipe. It's a brownie recipe. 1 cup plain Greek yogurt. I've got that right here. And 0% fat. Somebody in yesterday's video had asked me, I think it was yesterday's video, what percentage of fat yogurt, and I can't remember who it was, I'm sorry. Anyway, 0%. We've got half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 eggs, and so the recipe didn't call for any sweetener. And I thought, okay, well, I'll try it. So I made one earlier today without any sweetener. It was the most bitter thing you can imagine. Like, it was just... So anyways, I am going to use the brown sugar Splenda. And I'm going to put like a 1/4 cup. I'm going to put quite a bit. Brownies are supposed to be sweet. So I'm gonna try it again. Anyway, oven's preheated to 350, and yeah, it bakes for about 20 minutes. The one I did earlier took longer than that, so I don't know. We'll have to see. Anyway, 1 cup Greek yogurt. Half a cup unsweetened cocoa. Quarter cup brown sugar Splenda. And 2 eggs. Mix it up a little bit. Set that there for now. And the hand mixer. I'm going to blend it nice and smooth. The bowl. If anybody tries these sugar-free recipes that we've been testing out, let us know in the comments and let us know what you thought of them. It's so nice to be able to have a little treat, you know, like I can't stomach regular baked goods anymore. Like the sugar is just, it just kills my stomach. So It's nice to have a little treat. I was looking back and thinking, when was the last time I had regular sugar pastries? And it was in March of 2025, so well over a year ago, that I've had any baked goods with you know, regular sugar and flour and all that. I don't miss it. I don't miss it at all. I think about the stomach ache that I got the last time I had a piece of birthday cake, which was, like I said, in March of 2025. I just, yeah, no, it's not worth it. Not worth it at all. Okay, I'm going to put this in a 350 oven for about 20 minutes or so, and when it comes out and it's still hot, I'm going to sprinkle some of my sugar-free chocolate chips on top, and we'll be back with a taste test. Okay, it is taste test time. So it looks good, it smells good. Hopefully it tastes good.
You can't have any.
It's full chocolate, buddy. You can't. Just little squares. Don't need to. Ooh, nice and creamy looking.
I don't know. Did you already tell him this was take two?
Yes. It's not bad.
No, it's still, for my liking. Did you put any of the liquid?
No, I put a quarter cup of
I think you should have.
I know you're hooked on the liquid stuff.
I am, because yeah.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Mm-hmm.
It is sweet. It's not cakey like a brownie. It's more creamy. Like fudgy creamy.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Yeah. It's not horrible.
Mm-mm.
It's work in progress.
Yeah, just play with it.
That's what I call it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. All right, now we'll see what Tammy has to think about it, because she loves trying all these things. Yeah. I mean, you're used to the real sweet stuff.
Yeah.
And I'm not anymore. So, yeah. So I've come accustomed to things being less sweet.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So.
Well, better than your first version.
Oh. You know what? We could combine, because the video's still on the camera, of my first version with this one, and let us see the difference. So, anyways, we'll see what happens. All right, thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.